we're just going to have a look at the drain, the inspection cover, the drain for the house. So I'm going to lift it up. What tool are you using? Screwdriver? Lift it up. Well, it looks pretty clear, doesn't it? There's no blockage there. That takes the waste from the toilets and the kitchen, the bathroom. What we've got here, that's called an interceptor trap. It's shaped like a pea, like a pea laid down on its back. And that traps any rubbish. It makes a water seal against the main drain. But sometimes, if it's blocked up, and this is full of sewage, if that trap gets blocked up, this is full of sewage. What can be done is this plug that's in there can be pulled out with the wire. Oh, somebody's flushed the toilet. There's the poo going down the drain. So there's an action of that. Shit happens. There we are. That happened. Yeah. So anyway, this can be pulled out if this ever blocks up, so that you can get in then and maybe put some cleaner in and clean that trap out. What we're going to do now is check the yard gully that has the kitchen waste coming through. So we're going to maybe clear if there's any fat there, we'll clear the fat out of the gully. Because if you don't clear the fat out, the fat congeals everywhere and blocks the drain up. So we'll have a look at that. We can see that there's a lot of fat built up around the side gully. Take the guard away, you can see that's quite significant down there. Well, it's fat from the kitchen sink that ends up congealing on the side of the. There it goes. Congealing on the side of the cold gully. We'll break it up a bit. What you can do is reach down inside and pull it out. Try and get as much out as possible. Try and scoop it out. Does it float? Fortunately, it floats. Just scoop it out with your hands. Get most of it out. I think that'll do for the time being. I'll have to wash those out. Get rid of the solids. Most useful thing you're going to need. Yeah. Plunger. I'm going to use this plunger to plunge the gully out, the trap, and maybe clear it out a bit more. I'll put that in there and put some hot water and detergent down there. Give it a good old plunge. So it's breaking it all up now. If we go down and have a look at, there we are, it's running, all that black stuff is running down now, look. I'll get another bucket and give it another go. There it goes. Yeah, it's running clear now, look. It's okay. Yeah, we've broken the fat up and it's all clear now, so we can put the grid back on there to protect it a little bit. If you can do this sort of thing yourself and break the fat up and clear the drain out with a bit of hot water and washing up liquid and a plunger, then you can save yourself 100 or maybe 200 pounds, you know, rather than getting someone in to do it for you. So it's quite straightforward. It only takes a few minutes.